Feeling tired, sluggish, or overheated in the summer? Your food could be the secret weapon. In this video, I'll share cooling, hydrating foods that help you beat the heat and boost your energy naturally. First up is cucumber. Cucumbers are 95% water and packed with electrolytes such as potassium and magnesium. They also have a cooling effect on your body when consumed, making them a fantastic choice to beat the heat. To get the most out of cucumbers, eat them fresh, blend them into nutritious smoothies, or infuse. Water with their refreshing flavor by blending them with mint leaves and adding slices to your glass of water. This simple trick yields what I call cucumber mint water, which is perfect for staying hydrated during hot weather. Next, we have watermelon, my absolute favorite summer fruit. Not only does it consist of more than 90% water, but it also contains a powerful antioxidant called lycopene, which gives it its vibrant red color. Lycopene is known for its many health benefits, including protecting the skin from sun damage and reducing inflammation. Staying well hydrated is crucial for overall health, especially in hot weather. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and muscle cramps. Watermelon helps prevent dehydration because of its high water content and naturally sweet taste without added sugars. Plus, it provides essential nutrients and antioxidants that support your body's natural defense against oxidative stress caused by excessive sun exposure. For a fun and refreshing treat, blend watermelon into popsicles or chilled juices. You can even combine it with other fruits like bananas or berries for a nutritional boost. Next on the list is mango, one of my favorite fruits. Not only does it offer a delicious tropical flavor, but it's also packed with vitamins, minerals, and natural sugars to boost both energy and electrolyte levels. Mangoes are rich in vitamin A and C, potassium, and natural sugars, making them a nutritious and revitalizing snack. Consuming mangoes can help replenish essential nutrients and boost your immune system, keeping you healthy during the summer months. Keep things cool, freeze mango chunks, and enjoy them as a refreshing snack on hot days. Now let's talk about an herb that instantly cools your body down: mint. This refreshing herb is not just a flavor booster, but also has a cooling effect on the body. It can help stimulate blood circulation, lower body temperature, and aid digestion, making it a perfect addition to your summer diet. To incorporate mint into your meals, add it to salads, smoothies, or make mint-infused water or iced tea. By doing this, you will enjoy a soothing and hydrating beverage that will keep you feeling cool and refreshed in the heat. Let's dive into leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, lettuce, kale, and rocket are not only packed with essential nutrients, but also have a high water content, typically ranging from 85 to 95%. This makes them excellent choices for staying hydrated and nourished during hot weather. These greens are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and help maintain a cool body temperature. Additionally, they contain magnesium and folate, which play a vital role in energy production and metabolism. To enjoy leafy greens, include them in light salads, green juices, or wraps. Their mild flavors and crunchy texture add a refreshing element to your meals, helping you stay energized and satisfied. Next on our list is coconut water. Coconut water is nature's electrolyte drink. It's a perfect way to replenish salts and minerals that are lost through sweat and keep your body hydrated. Unlike many sports drinks, coconut water is free from artificial ingredients and has a natural sweetness that satisfies your taste buds without excess sugar. It energizes you naturally, making it a healthier alternative to sugary beverages. Whether you've been outside, just finished a workout, or need a midday energy boost, drinking coconut water can help rehydrate your body and support optimal performance. Now let's explore the world of citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are not only refreshing and high in vitamin C, but also have a cooling effect on the body. Their high water content combined with their nutrient-rich qualities makes them an ideal choice for staying hydrated and boosting your immune system during the summer months. Oranges, in particular, are a great source of vitamin C, which supports collagen production and skin health, helping you maintain a youthful and radiant complexion. Consider enjoying citrus fruits in various forms, such as lemon water, a citrus fruit salad, or cold-pressed juices to get the most out of their flavor and nutritional content. Last but not least, herbal iced teas. Now we're talking about chamomile, hibiscus, and peppermint. These teas are naturally caffeine-free, making them a perfect choice for a relaxing and cooling beverage. They're not only hydrating but also have a soothing effect on the body, helping you calm down and reduce stress during hot weather. Chamomile tea is known for its calming properties and can help promote relaxation and sleepiness. Hibiscus tea is tart and vibrant, offering a refreshing taste and potential health benefits, such as lowering blood pressure. Peppermint tea is known for its invigorating and cooling properties, aiding digestion and providing a refreshing sensation. To serve these teas cold, simply steep the tea bags or loose-leaf tea in boiling water. Let it cool and refrigerate. Serve over ice with a splash of honey or lemon for added flavor and sweetness. I've shared 8 incredible summer foods that don't just tantalize your taste buds, but also keep your body cool and energized during the warmer months. From the hydrating power of cucumbers and watermelon to the cooling effects of mint and citrus fruits, each food has unique benefits to keep you refreshed. Remember, staying cool and hydrated is essential for maintaining your well-being. So try these summer superfoods and let us know which ones are your go-to choices for beating the heat. As we wrap up this journey through summer superfoods, I want to hear from you. What's your go-to summer snack or drink? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button. Save this video for future reference and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for joining me today. Stay cool, stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next video.